Let's start by washing the oranges. Cut the oranges into thin slices, like this, and this, also this, and this one. Now cut the rest of it into smaller pieces too. In a pot, add a little bit of water, lots of sugar, and your orange slices. Add more sugar and water as you go. Make sure you have a thick syrup. Layer all the oranges in the thick syrup without breaking them. Keep the pot on medium to low heat the entire time. Keep this cooking for about 3 to 4 hours. Please do something productive in the meantime. Silly gal had to change the pot and she decided to add another orange in there. The orange slices should be darker in color and semi-translucent after it's cooked. If not, cook it for longer. Now lay them all on a rack to dry overnight. You can let it dry naturally like this, or in the oven at around 100 degrees Celsius for about 4 to 5 hours. Depending on where you live, this can take up to 2 to 5 days to dry. Never waste the remaining syrup. You can keep it in a jar for later use in teas or smoothies. Because it's winter time where we are, it took about a week for these to air dry. Don't worry, they didn't go bad because of the cold temperature and higher sugar content. Now that the oranges have dried, you can eat them as it is, use them to decorate your cakes and desserts, or move on to coat them in chocolate. Melt some dark chocolate over a large bowl of hot water. Gently slide the orange slice into the chocolate and coat around half of it. Place them on some baking paper to dry. Your orangette or chocolat is now ready to eat. You can go on and wrap them up if you're gifting it to friends. Bon appetit!